Hey, what's up, you guys? It is Kitty Cass, and today we are doing a haul. We are doing a VANS collaboration with Harry Potter kind of haul. And yeah, I spent way too much money, but you can tell by the title. Yeah, I got a big box. A really big box. I'm gonna be sweating this whole time. Whew. So yeah, I got a really big box in the mail of all the shoes. I will make sure to include the prices and the sizes that I purchased, just in case you guys are interested. I'm not 100% sure that they're fully sold out, but I'll still provide the links just in case your size may be there. But for now, let's get right into the box. Okay, big box, big box. So big, I don't even think I can fit on camera. Cut my box. Cutter. Let's see if it'll fit. Free. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Sharp object down. Okay. Oh, oh my god, guys. My 11-year-old self is screaming. Okay. So, 4 pairs of shoes. Okay. Let's go slowly. Okay. So these ones, I don't know if you can tell by my look today what house I am. I'm a Gryffindor. Shout out to all my Gryffindors out there. And if you knew what house I was in, 10 points for Gryffindor. At least I will show you guys these shoes in the box, and then of course I will try them on, so then you can see them what they look like on, you know? Okay, so these ones are the Gryffindor ones. They are high tops. I believe I got a 7.5 women's. It's even in Harry Potter. I'm gonna lose my okay. You can't really see, but it says like Harry Potter and stuff. Okay, you get the gist. Oh my god. These look gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, I can't wait to put these on. So excited. I'm so excited. My boyfriend thinks I'm crazy, but it's okay. It's what makes me more lovable. So that's the first pair. Number 2. Oh my god. Okay, so you know I'm a Gryffindor. I like to dabble, you know, with the dark side. Even though Snape kind of flipped. Spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. Anyways, so these ones are high tops. These are the dark arts ones. Again, same box. And they're like, can you guys see this green? Look at this metallic-y green. Gorgeous. Okay. Ooh, and they're kind of like higher up here. Oh my god, are these snake? Guys, it looks like snake skin. Oh my god, and we got the dark mark, of course. Like, I'm not a Death Eater, per se, but like, I love skulls, so. These look really, really cool. Same kind of checker in the inside. And they're actually, I feel like they're maybe a little bit taller than the Gryffindor ones, which I don't mind. But yeah, these look so bad. And the laces are ribbon. Cute. Super duper excited. Now, number 3 was a must-have because I have a tattoo of it. I will put a picture over here because you can't see where it is. I saw these online when like I heard they were gonna drop the line, and I had to get them. These are the slip-on pair. They are the Marauders Map. Oh my god, guys. My favorite Harry Potter movie, Prisoner of Azkaban. Amazing. And we will just flip these. Oh, I also got these in a 6.5 because they do stretch over time. And I believe the Defense Against the Dark Arts ones I got in a 7.5 women's, like I did the other one. So these ones are the Marauders Map. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh guys, like I'm number one sweating and number two like freaking out at the same time. I was hoping they would have like a cooler bottom, but I'm still not complaining. These look so cute with the little shoes. Keep an eye out for ghosts. Oh god, guys. Oh, Mr. Manage. So originally I was gonna get those ones. I wasn't gonna get the newspaper ones because I have leggings of the newspaper. I don't know if my leg. You can kind of see it. You can kind of see it. Oh, I think I pulled something. Okay, I'm okay. So I was gonna get those, but then I was like, I have the leggings. I don't really want the shoes because I have the dark arts shoes that look pretty freaking cool. Got the Gryffindor ones that look pretty freaking cool. And the map, well, duh, cool. And last but not least, I ordered these around midnight. So this pair, I did not know about at all. I don't know if you know, but blue is my favorite color of all time. And they had blue Harry Potter shoes that weren't Ravenclaw, but they were just blue. And I may or may not have needed them in my life. And I woke up my boyfriend in a sleep. Like, should I get them? Should I not? And he said yes. So what did we do? We bought them. These ones are also high tops, but they're called ComfyCush high tops. These are a size 8 women's because they didn't have 7.5. The smallest pair they had were an 8. So I haven't seen these other than in pictures. Oh my god. These are beautiful. They smell terrible, but they're beautiful. Oh my god. My only gripe is what the it's supposed to be a lightning bolt. Is the other one like that? These ones are fine. Why is that one all up? To be fair, they're eventually gonna wash out, but still, that's super sad. These are really cool though. Ooh, can you see? What is that? See kind of like the shift. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera. Ooh, there you kind of can. Oh my god, guys, I'm like shaking. This is so cool. Ignore my nails. I really need to paint them. Slash, they're like breaking like crazy. So ignore my disgusting looking hands. These ones apparently are supposed to be uber comfortable. But yeah, without further ado, let's try these on. These are the leggings I was telling you guys about. I think they're super spiffy. I got them at the Ottawa Comic-Con a few years ago. These are the Gryffindor ones. They feel really nice, really cushy. My foot goes about to here. I have a little bit of wiggle room in case I wear any thicker socks. They're really cute. They they fit me nice. They took forever to lace up, but you know, c'est la vie. So yeah, these are them. I'll put how much they were somewhere on the screen. And again, these are a 7.5. These are the Dark Mark ones. They are definitely taller than the other ones. I don't know if you guys can see how reflective they are, but they are pretty spiffy. I didn't tie them very tightly just because of the fact that, again, I'm not going anywhere. They seem really comfy. They're a tad bit taller than the Gryffindors. Again, are a 7.5. Yeah, they're super cute. They're really reflective. I think they look pretty snazzy with these leggings too. Yeah, can barely see the dark mark. These laces, again, are not even laces. They're kind of ribbon, so they're a little bit more difficult to actually lace up. It's another reason why I didn't bother lacing them. These look super cute. I'm definitely, so far, these are a win. Ooh, oh my god. I don't know if you guys can see. No, you guys can't. Okay, right over here. The words to conjure the dark mark in the sky is right here. It's kind of reflective. I don't know if you can see it, or I'm just sweating drying. But yeah, these are a definite win. These are the Marauders Map. I got these in a 6.5. I got them quite small in the sense compared to the other shoes. My foot is still about to here. The reason why I got these in that size, hopefully you guys can see the cute little mischief bandage on the back. I got these in a smaller size just because I know that they stretch. Last year, VANS did a collab with the Vincent van Gogh Museum. These are a pair of the slip-on ones that I got. I also got the sunflower, like, small lace-up ones that look like the newspaper ones. Hi, Salem. But these ones were the last ones, and I was dying to get cute little skull ones that were Vincent van Gogh's, and I tried them on. They fit me, but they do eventually stretch. Fun fact, all you have to do, if they're a little too tight, is just wear some socks, like maybe a thicker pair of socks. You wear the socks for a little bit, it'll eventually stretch this part out so it actually doesn't hurt. You can also like winterize these just because it is canvas and you don't want the canvas to wreck over time, which does make it a little bit stiff compared to these brand spanking new, untouched, just unboxed kind of shoe. So they are quite flexible, but I highly recommend, if you're buying Vans, to please buy the spray. So these are definitely a win. Definitely super cute. Do not go with these leggings. There's a lot happening going on right now. But yeah, these are definitely a win and definitely a must for any Harry Potter fan. Ooh, they're actually kind of reflective. These ones are a lot bigger than the other ones. It seems like my foot's about here, so I have like a good little bit. They're definitely bigger than the other ones. They're really comfy, surprisingly. I think it's because they are the Cushy brand, like the Cushy ones. This one feels a little strange right where my toes are, but that just could be like maybe something in the shoe. But yeah, these are really cute. They got cute little reflective little lightning bolts. Hopefully you can catch that on camera. They definitely are bigger than what I was hoping for. All the other high tops that I ordered were a 7.5. These ones are an 8. Hello, Salem. These ones are an 8. So they're definitely a lot bigger than the other ones. I'm still debating if I want to keep these. They are really cute. I'm still disappointed about the fact that this little lightning bolt is wiped off. And the fact that, well, these are bigger. But I guess I could always just wear thicker socks with these. These seem like they would be very good for work if you're walking around a lot. They are really cute, so it's pretty much up in the air if I'm going to keep these. But they also look pretty snazzy with these leggings, if I do say so myself. I obviously didn't get all of them, but I got my favorites. Considering the price I paid, I got my favorites. Thanks you guys for watching this haul and hanging out with me. I hope you guys had a good time. I know for sure my wallet didn't have a good time, but I know I did, and I hope you did too. So yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and also if you love to see my face, don't forget to subscribe And also, don't forget to hit that bell, because if not, you won't know when I'm uploading. I hope you guys have a great one. And remember, you guys, I